Hey everyone, so a couple of days ago, we unboxed the Air Force One hidden message. So that is a sneaker wherein if you strip the upper, it actually reveals a brand new kick-ass design inspired by the Olympics. So, di ba? Sobra exciting. So, what I did is that I sent it over to a friend, a colleague who actually is a professional when it comes to sewing things up and creating stuff with her hands. She's like the total DIY girl within my circle, and she took a crack at it. And today, we are going to unbox it together. We're going to check out the finished product. This is the 100% stripped upper of the Nike Air Force One hidden message. I am excited. I hope you guys are. Let's go. By the way, before we get started, let me just remind you that I am doing two big giveaways right now on my Instagram account. I am giving away, together with Katha Bags, an off-white Nike rubber dunk in your size and the color that you want. And I'm also partnered up with Unbox PH, giving away two smartphone mystery boxes. So check out my Instagram account, subscribe to my channel. The link to my IG can be found down below. Check out the mechanics there. Good luck. Okay, so exciting. Let's jump right into it. First time I'm going to see it together with you guys. Babaw! Oh my God, this is absolutely sick. OMG, guys, take a look at how insane the design now is compared to the first time that we got the shoe. So I'll post like a clip of the video of the original design of the way I got the shoe, and now we can compare it. Wow, this is so much better, I mean, than the first design. The first design was kind of bland. This one is just sick, man. So let's get to it. So the first thing that jumps out is how glossy the finish is of the upper. So it has a more metallic shine to it. It pops a lot more. It's not the dull colors that we saw with the first build or iteration of the shoe. And the second thing that jumps out to me is the texture. Because if you take a closer look at the upper, you have a lot of flags of different countries. I see Canada, I see Great Britain or UK, I see Korea plastered all over the shoe. So again, it is an Olympics inspired sneaker. So you seeing the flags is supposed to bring together like the international global competition unity spirit thing of the games. And we definitely get that vibe if you take a closer look at the shoe. So you have silver over here, you have some sort of gold in the middle, you have some sort of like bronze here at the back. And wow, guys, take a look at the Nike Air logo embroidered in gold at the back. That just looks really dope. Again, gold here at the tongue tab. And man, I am just stunned as to how nice the shoe is looking. I mean, after stripping the upper. Which kind of begs the question, why didn't they just strip the upper and you get to buy it like this? Because it definitely looks so much better. Of course, the answer to that is you can strip it in different ways, so everybody can have like unique designs. You can keep the panel here and stuff like that. But yeah, the first design was like a 4 out of 10 for me, or maybe even a 3 out of 10, because I wouldn't even wear that in the first iteration. This one is an easy 8 to 9 out of 10 for me. I'll definitely be wearing this, man. This is sick. So shout out to Leng, my colleague and friend who worked on this. If you guys want to contact her on her Instagram account, if you want any DIY stuff, if you want to strip your G-Dragon Air Force One, or if you have your own Air Force One hidden message, or if you have the Stranger Things sneakers wherein you can burn the upper, she does that amazingly well. I mean, take a look at it. This one looks professionally done because, well, she's professional. So yeah, really nice. Now, before we move on to the next unboxing, because I actually have a second unboxing this time of a brand new pair of Yeezys that was sent over here, let me know what you guys think of the Air Force One hidden message now that we have fully stripped the upper. Let me know your thoughts. Hit the comment section. Let me know what you think. I'll read through as many comments and reply to as many comments as I can possible. So again, hit the comment section. What do you guys think? Is it nicer with it fully stripped, or do you prefer it with the upper material on top? Personally, like what I mentioned, I am digging this so much more than the first form that it came in. Comments, hit it now, type, go. Now, before we close out the vlog, I have one more sneaker that I want to unbox. This is another shoe that was sent over by YOLO Manila. So to those who don't know, YOLO Manila is a sneaker reseller store based here in the Philippines. They just opened up a new shop over at Makati. So to everybody at YOLO Manila, thank you for sending this over and good luck on your new business. So they sent this over for me to unbox. This is the Yeezy Quantum Barrio. So this is actually the first time I'm going to see this. To be straightforward with you guys, and to be honest, I've never been a fan of the Quantum series of Yeezys. The design just doesn't appeal to me. I think I really have a strong preference towards the Yeezy 500, the lows, and the Yeezy 700 V2s. Those are like my two favorite Yeezy silhouettes. The Quantum, not so much, but let's take a look. So again, comes in this carton box that's so familiar already with the Yeezy brand. And then you have the actual shoe. Here you have it. So this is the Yeezy Quantum Barium. So as you guys can see, it is your typical Quantum design, but what you do have different is the color. So it has earth tones of brown, slate, gray, cement, more on the dark earth hues. So if you are looking for like Yeezys that you can beat up because they can hold well against dirt, and they are quite comfortable from what I've heard because it does have a boost midsole, and this is actually very easy to dress up. I mean, it is earth tone shoe, so goes well with jeans, goes well with joggers. It's relatively easy to pull off. You might want to consider this one. So this again is the Yeezy Quantum Barium, and from what I see, they are selling it over at YOLO Manila for 15,000 pesos. So if you want one, check them out. I will link down below to their Instagram account. Again, folks, this is the Yeezy Quantum Barrio. And that, ladies and gentlemen, actually wraps up our quick vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all positive with life, negative with COVID. And again, check out my Instagram account. I'm doing a bunch of giveaways there, and I foresee doing a bunch more in the coming days ahead. So make sure that you follow me on IG, follow me on Facebook, and all of the socials that I usually am present in. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.